everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a delivery note in Zoho Books. First, head over to books.zoho.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, click on the settings button. Under the sales section, select delivery notes. From here, you will need to fill in all the required details. Make sure everything you enter is correct and accurate, since the delivery note serves as a proof of delivery and play an important role in inventory management and reconciliation. Start by entering the document title and date, then move on to the description, transaction number, item and quantity. Sure to fill out the reference field, billing and delivery details, customer notes, signature, and balance due. Once everything is complete, simply click Save, and that's it. You have successfully created a delivery note in Zoho Books. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.